Lexus Infotainment systems sometimes freeze, become unresponsive, or have connectivity issues. Resetting the system can solve these problems. There are two main types of resets. A soft reboot is a quick restart that clears temporary glitches without deleting any data. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, erasing all apps and preferences. To perform a soft reboot, hold down the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen turns off, then restart the system. To perform a factory reset on 2020 Plus models, go to Settings, General, Factory Reset, and confirm with your PIN. Use Factory Reset for persistent issues, but remember to back up important data first. If a soft reboot or factory reset doesn't fix the problem, ensure your Lexus infotainment software is up to date. Check for updates via the My Lexus app or your dealership. Outdated firmware, like version 1.25 for the 2019 RX, can cause issues. For unresponsive touchscreens, avoid direct sunlight and moisture, which can cause calibration errors. If the screen is completely unresponsive, a forced reboot by disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes might help, but this should only be done by a professional to avoid voiding your warranty. For unresolved issues, especially in high-mileage vehicles, Lexus recommends professional diagnostics and may offer service extensions. Remember that Lexus is moving towards more OTA updates and AI-driven diagnostics to reduce the need for manual resets in the future.